It's Sunday, March 29, 2021, and I'm here at the back of the nature park where we have done some clearing out of property. And I want to show you some of the greening that's going on here at the nature park. And I want to show you first the stuff that is greening seems to be our non-native invasive plants. This one happens to be honeysuckle. And then here beside it, this one is called privit. And I'll tell you, you'd hate to be caught in a patch of this because you can see it has a lot of thorns on it. And I'm going right up the branch. And there you go. There's the greening of this particular variety. And then I'm going to go down the path here a little bit. And this is the problem we're having with the non-natives, is that they green first. They put out their leaves first. Here's I think this one might be autumn olive. And you can see that it's putting out the leaves. Either that or buckthorn, but I think buckthorn, but I think it's autumn olive. And then in a previous video I come by here and I thought this was honeysuckle at first, but as I've looked at it again, this one's called buckthorn, and you can see a little thorn there in the center of the picture. But as I go up, what do I see? I see leaves. These are 3 of the 5 basic trees, shrubs that we consider very invasive here at the nature park. And as I look around, it's starting to get a little greenish tinge to the place. There is one more invasive that people really like around the houses and so on, but it's non-native. It's called burning bush. And we don't have very many of that here at the nature park. What we did have, we cleared out most of it, and every once in a while we do find a little bit more.